Hi Jurassic Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Marshall from Paw Patrol, so let's get started. To draw this cute Dalmatian, let's first start by drawing his eyes. So I'm going to come right here and start with a big curve that goes up and around. And we're going to end about the same level. Then from there I'm going to round off this corner right here and connect with a soft curve. Then I'm going to come right across, so use this as my guide, come right across about right here, just enough space for a nose, and I'll do the same thing. So go up, I'll just drag this point across, just kind of make sure I'm about the same height, and down. And once again, go ahead and connect it with a soft curve, and round off the corners. Then from there, let's go inside and we're going to draw a big circle towards this edge. So right here, nice big circle, and same thing here. And now that since I'm drawing pretty big, I have enough room to make them draw so cute eyes. So I'm going to come in here with two small circles for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. But if you're drawing pretty small, you can just go ahead and put in some highlights in here and shade everything else black. Okay, so then come in here and draw lines at the bottom and same thing over here. And I'll come in the top right here and make this top line, this top curve here thicker, just to anchor the eye. Okay, so then now that we have that in, let's come in and draw the nose. So right in between the eyes, right here, I'm going to draw a big curve right underneath, round off the sides. And I'll find my center, so say about right here, and connect. And then I'll come in here with a highlight, so just a big oval on the top, and shade everything else in. Then from there, let's come straight down, so right in the center, about right here. Goes down with a straight line about this much, and I'm going to draw his smile. So let's start on this side. I'm going to go up about right underneath the eye, give a little curl, little curve, and then cap it off. So same thing here, so nice and straight or curve slightly, and right underneath the eye, just like the other side, right there, and cap it off. There. Okay, so then from there, let's see here, we have his, we can give him little, maybe 3 dots like right here, and here as well. And I'm going to attempt to very lightly draw a curve right underneath, right on top of his nose. And down. Yay, we did it. Just to separate where his eyes and his nose are, the snout area. Okay, so then from there we can start to draw his face. So I'm going to come to where we drew the eye, this corner right here, come out just a tiny little bit. Same thing here, about right here. And I'm going to draw a curve that comes out for the cheeks. So same thing here. And then this part can go up. So about right here, we're just going to bring this up and here as well. So just kind of to where the eye is, this level. And let's see here. Okay, so then let's bring this down. We're just going to go ahead and connect it with a curve at the bottom. And up. There, so now we have his face framed in. And you know what, I'm gonna make this a bit bigger because somehow he looks like he's cross-eyed. So hopefully this will help not make him look cross-eyed. There, better, right? Okay, so then from there, now that, let's bring this up a tiny bit. So just kind of like where the eyes are, a little bit above, I'm going to go ahead and draw a curve right above his eye. So this is going to be the beginning of his hat, right above. Then from there, let's see here. Let's bring this hat out, the brim of this fireman hat out a little bit more. So we're curving up and curving up. But before we finish that, let's come back here and draw his ear. So I'm going to come to this corner right here and bring in the curve, kind of to where his cheeks are. Round off the tip, give it a little curl and bring it right back in. And then right here, you can just add a little curve for some detail. And same thing here. So curve to where about his cheeks are. And come out. And same thing. And connect. And then add a little curve right here. Okay, so then now we know that's about the mouth space. So about right here, nice and even. You go ahead and thicken up this rim. And so I'll just go ahead and follow my bottom curve all the way across. From there, we're going to draw the top of the hat. So I'll come right here. So make sure it's kind of where the ear is, right here and here. And I'll go ahead and draw this big dome. Nice and high. So my center, all right here. Just makes it easier for me to know how high to go, and then I'm going to come down from there. All the way back to my point. And then the center right here, now that I know this is my center, I'm going to go ahead right in here and just draw this little shape for the top of the hat. And before I forget, let me bring this out a tiny bit more. I think I need more room. Let's draw a circle right here for his flashlight. Oh my gosh. There. And a little line right there. This is actually supposed to be just a line and then a curve. I mean, it's supposed to be a line right here. Come in here with my whiteout pen so you know what I'm talking about. There, but I messed up, remember? Okay. There. Okay, something like that. So then inside right here is going to be this patch, right? So I'll say about right here and right here. Give myself 2 points, nice and even. And about right here, I'll go ahead and draw an angle line. So I'll bring this across, about right here. And draw 2 angle lines. Then I'm going to bring it up with a curve. And I'm going to curve. Draw a curve right there to follow the top and bring it in. And then in here, we're going to draw this emblem right here. So let's come to the top. A curve, bring it down, down, and I'm just going to find my center. So say about right here, give myself a point. I think that's the center. And I'm going to go ahead and bring this curve down. There. And then let's thicken this up. So I'll just follow my outside. I know there's just like so many details here. There. Okay, and then the paw right here. So I'll just draw 3 ovals. 1, 2 and 1 right here. And then the center part. So come in here and just draw this wobbly shape right here. Okay, and then one more, one more stripe right here. So just follow. Now that we're done with his head, let's come about right here. I'm going to just give myself 2 angle lines nice and even. So right here and here. And I'll go ahead and connect it. So it's like his collar right here. Come in the center, draw a center line, and I'll come out. So I'm bringing this curve down and here as well. Then from there, let's see here, let's bring this down more because this is a Dalmatian, so it's going to be pretty tall dog, right? So let's keep bringing this down and say about right here in this area on both sides. Go ahead and we're going to start the legs. So let's bring this down. Just work back and forth, so about right here as well, just like the other side. Create these 2 curves, and then about right there looks about right. I'm going to go ahead and start the paw. So 1 curve, 2 and 3, and I'm going to bring this down nice and big, and once again same thing, 1, 2 and 3, and then come in here with a curve right at those points there. So same thing on the other side, so curve it out and curve it out. So I just want to make sure I'm ending about the same area. 2 and 3. So once again, 1, 2 and 3. Now that we have the front legs drawn in, let's come right in between right here where his paws are, and I'm going to draw a curve. And then another one right here underneath on this area. And so then from there, let's come to about this area right here. And we're going to draw a curve down. From there, let's draw his back legs. So about right in this area, I'm going to come down with a slight curve and then come down. And about right here, once again, we're going to draw curves. But this time only 2. Then we'll bring it down and draw 2 more curves. And right here, just bring in a curve as well. So same thing on the other side. About right here, out, and down, and 2 curves. There. Okay, so then let's draw some details in here. His emblem right here. So right underneath the collar, I'm going to come right here and draw a curve. Find my center, so say about right here. Go ahead and connect it. And let's thicken this up. So just follow your outside. And then inside here is where we're going to draw a flame. So I'm going to come right here and draw this flame right here. So there's a bunch of curves. And one more here. There. Hopefully that looks like a flame in there. And then we're going to bring this line down. So nice and straight all the way down. There. And let's see. That is pretty much it, except of course the most important part, to make him look like a Dalmatian, right? So let's give him his spots. So I'll come in here really quickly And just draw these random shapes in here. And shade it in. So they're all done with Marshall's spots, and now there's no doubt that he's a Dalmatian. And I even snuck in a little heart right here because why not, right? Then now he's my Draw So Cute Marshall from Paw Patrol. Thanks so much for watching. I really hope I made this fun and easy for you to follow along with me. And please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.